Hi there! If you're one of the persons who is upgrading from the S22 Ultra to the S23 Ultra, one thing that you might be a little bummed about if you're getting the 256GB with 8GB of RAM is that there's been a step down in terms of the amount of RAM that you get. In this video, we'll be looking at how you can use a feature called RAM Plus to get a bit more RAM when you need it. To begin with, you tap on Settings. Once there, scroll until you find the option Battery and Device Care and tap on it. From there, you're going to select the option Memory, and then you're going to look for RAM Plus. Once you tap on RAM Plus, you'll see the option to turn the feature on or off, and you'll also see the different amounts of additional RAM that you're able to access. Now, something to note about the feature is that you're using your free storage as RAM, and if you haven't used the full 8GB that the phone came with, you won't be able to add more RAM. Once you've selected how much more RAM you'd like, the phone will let you know that it will need to restart to put your changes in place.